Hi, my name is Natalia Melendez, and today I'll be talking about the swamp chestnut oak tree. Before I get started, I just wanted to mention a quick little fact that happened this weekend, which it was that my family came out to visit from Naples. It's not too far of a ride, but it's always nice getting to see your family. Now, to start off the species report, I wanted to mention is two nicknames. The first one is called the basket oak tree, which that one comes from its wood being commonly used in basket making. The second nickname it has is the cow oak tree. This nickname comes from the common use or cows commonly eating its chestnuts that it provides. Now, if you want to find this tree, you will most likely find it in humid temperature climates. So it is actually native to southeastern states, reaching from New Jersey all the way to eastern Pennsylvania. More specifically, this tree is distributed in moist soils as well as large or small stream bottomlands. If not, it's also found in loamy grasses. Now, in regards to how they look, they are medium-sized trees just like the oak tree, the white oak I mean. They have a rounded crown and bark. Its leaves can be 4 to 8 inches long with either rounded or sharp teeth. So the exterior of the leaf will either have the little spikes or just overall round. The leaf also does have 15 to 20 secondary veins. So it's going to be like a little stripe and then the lines across. Those are its secondary veins. This leaf of the swamp chestnut oak tree also has the broadest part of being in the middle. During the fall, the leaf from the swamp chestnut oak tree turns either a reddish brownish or yellow brownish, but normally it is a dark green color. In regards to the tree bark, it is usually commonly brown, if not tan or a little gray color. In regards to the acorn, they actually come either as solitary or they come in pairs. They are usually green in color and they have a wider cap compared to that of an oak or a white oak tree. Once ripened, they do fall during the months of September and October. When it comes to the reproductive system, during the months of April and May, the trees do bloom their flowers, and during the ages of 20 to 25, the chestnut oaks begin to produce seeds, and at the age of 40, that is where they reach their peak overall. During their prime years of reproductive system, they do produce up to 5 to 6 years of seedlings. The swamp chestnut oak tree is actually a primary producer, and they utilize sunlight, which carries out the process of photosynthesis, which then produces glucose. Now, in regards to the ecological role, the swamp chestnut oak tree does provide chestnuts as food for small mammals as well as birds. And then the tree itself does provide housing for other small mammals and birds as well. For as the human species, this tree does provide lumber for either housing or commercial building. This tree also does provide shade for either animals or people. And lastly, if this tree were to have been removed, it would damage the food source for many animals as well as the use for humans in housing and commercial building.